Copy trains are very crucial projects. When we are talking about copy trains, where we have project in Hexagon Smart3D, where we have to deliver the drawings, the model, the reports to the construction team simultaneously when we are working on the model. The original train, which engineers or modelers work on, has to be ready. They have to deliver everything simultaneously to construction site, to fabrication side. So it becomes very crucial for information management team as well as engineering team to plan well in advance when you have copy trains. Hi, I'm Bhaskar. This is the HaleForm Show, and today we will discuss about how to manage or plan about the copy train project in Hexagon Smart 3D. When we are talking about copy trains, we have to keep in mind that when we start our project, we have to take a few things into consideration because Hexagon Smart 3D is a database driven application and everything goes into that engine. So the minimum data requirement will be, of course, there. We have to take care of all the volumes. We have to take care of WBS if we are using it. We have to take care of welds. We have to take care of fabrication information and everything that is required by the project. So when all these things come into picture and we have one deadline for original train and for our copy trains, simultaneously, it becomes a real headache for the execution team because engineers and modelers are focusing on the original plant. They are not working on the copy plant simultaneously. So initially, they think that they will work on original plant and then they will simultaneously keep copying that original plant and simultaneously they'll extract the drawings and reports, which actually becomes a very big hurdle for the project execution because if we keep doing the MDR simultaneously multiple times, deleting the copy trains again and again, and doing the MDR again and again based on our delivery status or delivery timeline. So that actually impacts the model health of Smart 3D. So in this episode, we will discuss about how to smartly deliver the deliverables to construction team without hampering our Smart 3D model. So first thing that we have to deliver in case if we are planning, the first thing comes the drawings, of course, because drawings are extracted from model in Smart 3D. So whatever is available in the model have to be extracted from there. When we are talking about extracting duplicate drawings, many things comes into picture. So if we are talking about copy trains, definitely we have the exact train replicated in multiple segments at different coordinates and they can be transformed. They can be linear. They can be their x and y coordinate both may vary. So in this case, what can be done is that we can create a program that can actually transform the original drawings to the copy trains and all the tags can be manipulated over there with the new tag and the coordinate information can also be manipulated. This has to be initial task when before even the execution of project because this is a very crucial thing that people have to understand or the developer has to take care that each and everything has to be replicated with correct precision because if there is any chance of error then it will impact in a big amount. So using this method, we can actually replicate the GA drawings, the ISO drawings, and if any other drawing has to be replicated, that can be considered. And this can be done for all the disciplines as well who are supposed to provide the GA drawings. Second thing can be the reports. Reports can be easily manipulated because in the reports the tag information is there. So original report can be extracted, and all the columns that have tag information or any other information that have to be manipulated can easily be done. So this can be used as macro, or even in a .NET program where the engine converts the whole set of reports kept in the folder. So this can be even planned, and this has to be thoroughly checked because any problem or any error might end into the wrong information, and the users or the developer along with engineer and modeler have to check each and everything before actually deploying this program in production. The third thing that can be done if the construction team somehow requires the SPR. SPR can also be manipulated by SPR automation. So the original train SPR can be manipulated with new coordinates and tag information, and that can be delivered. Again, thoroughly checking of the developed program has to be taken care. All the checklists have to be checked before deploying this program. People have to be 110% sure that this program works very fine before deploying this into on the actual project. So this will give a review file for the construction team to take care and if it is required. The final thing comes about the model. When model is ready up to some extent, preferably around 90%, then actual model can be replicated in copy trains. The MDR can be done manually, and these MDR can be now, after duplicating, can be retagged based on your tagging rule. So if unit number or area number changes, a rule checker can be developed to manipulate all the tags. If it is a default name rule, that can be done. If it is a user defined name rule, there's a command in automation toolkit where report can be extracted and then imported by with new name, and all the information can be manipulated with this rule checker service, or even custom command if it has to be used by the user. And apart from that, all the catalog tags which have been bulk loaded can also be replaced using automation. So these things can be easily manipulated and checked. And once this automation part is done, designers can go to the replicated or duplicated model and check if everything has come very perfectly fine. And this is a strong recommendation that this should be a one-time activity, and this should be at the end or near to end of the project. And then whatever drawings have to be, actual drawings have to be, can be produced from this new model, and that can be delivered wherever it is required, and all the reports can be extracted from here. So this is how this model duplication can be controlled. So this is it for this particular episode. Everything that I have shared is actually my experience on various projects. I have been involved in the project where duplicate trains have been a scope, and the team has actually taken this step to duplicate the trains. So this is all the experience that I have shared with you. Let me know what do you feel about it. Let me know if you have anything to add. Comment on the comment section, or you can drop an email to me at bhaskar@haleform.com. Until next episode, see you later.